Most people don't fail because they are not talented. They fail because their mindset was shaped by survival, not growth. Bills, stress, social media, comparison. Life slowly programs your brain to think small. But here's the truth, your mindset is not fixed, it's trained. And just like it was programmed one way, it can be rewired another way. In this video, I am going to share top 10 real habits, not motivation, not hype, that can literally rewire how you think, react, and show up in life. They are simple habits used by high performance across the United States, entrepreneurs, athletes, creators, not because they are special, but because they train their brain differently. Let's start. The first habits control your morning input. Most Americans wake up and immediately check their phone. News, emails, notification, stress. Within 5 minutes, your brain is reacting instead of leading. Your mindset is shaped by with what you consume first. Try this. For the first 30 minutes, no phone, let your brain wake up without charge. The one habit reduce anxiety and increase mental control. Habit number 2, replace complaining with problem solving. In real life, stress is normal. Traffic, work pressure, deadlines, but there's a difference between reacting and responding. Complaining keeps you brain it victim made. Problem solving activities control mode. Every time something goes wrong, ask what can I control here? This rewires your brain from powerless to proactive. Number 3, move your body daily. Even 10 minutes. You don't need a gym membership, but you do need movement. Exercise releases dopamine and serotonin, chemicals responsible for confidence and stability. When you move daily, your brain starts believing I take action and action builds identity. Identity shapes mindset. Number 4, keep small promise to yourself. This is one of the most underrated habits. If you say I will wake up at 7, wake up at 7. If you say you will read 5 pages, read 5 pages. When you break a small promise, your brain loses truth in you. When you keep them, even small ones, your self-respect grows. Confidence is not built by success, it's built by self-trust. Number 5, limit negative environments. Your environment programs your thinking. If you are always around negative conversations, gossips, fear-based thinking, your brain adapts to it. In real life, you can't avoid everything, but you can limit exposure. Choose podcast over noise, books over drama, growth conversion over compliments. Your mindset becomes your environment. Number 6, practice deadline gratification. Modern life trends are for instant rewards, fast food, fast entertainment, fast variation. But success in America or anywhere requires long-term thinking. Instead of scrolling for 30 minutes, work for 30 minutes first. Train your brain to earn a reward, not chase it. Delayed gratification strengthens discipline pathways in your brain, and discipline beats motivation every time. Number 7, talk to yourself like someone you respect. Most people have harsh inner dialogue. I am stupid. I always mess up. I'm not good enough. Imagine speaking to a friend like that. Your brain listens to you self-talk as an interaction. Replace I failed with I am learning. That shift alone changes resilience. Number 8, 4, read or learn something daily, even 10 minutes. When you learn consistently, your brain stays flexible. Psychology calls this neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to adapt and grow. People with growth mindset expose themselves to new ideas. Learning daily tells your brain I am involving and that change how you see challenge. Number 9. Accept discomfort as growth. This is where most people quit. Discomfort feels like danger, but in reality, discomfort is expansion. Public speaking feels scary. Starting a business feels risky. Having hard conversation feels stressful, but every time you survive discomfort, your brain updates its fear response. It learns. This didn't destroy me and slowly caused growth. Number 10. End your day with reflection before sleeping. Ask, what did I do well today? What can I improve tomorrow? The habit rewards your brain for awareness. Without reflection, you repeat patterns unconsciously. With reflection, you improve internally. 5 minutes of thinking can change years of autopilot living. Why this works? Mindset is not built in one breakthrough moment. It's built in daily repetition. Small habits create small change. Small change create identity shift. Identity shifts create life transformation. Most people wait for motivation, but mindset change when behavior change. You don't think you way into a better life. You act you way into a better mindset. Rewire your mindset doesn't mean becoming someone else. It means removing the mental patterns that are holding you back. No one is coming to fix your thinking, but the good news is you don't need anyone. Your brain is adaptable, your brain are powerful, your future is trainable. Start with one habit, the another, and one day you will realize the way you think about life has a completely changed. Not because of motivation, but because you rewrite it with this video helped you see mindset differently. Subscribe for more psychology based self improvement content.